On Saturday evening, a fire erupted at the Baby Care Newborn Hospital in Delhi's Vivek Vihar. And as authorities continue to investigate how it happened, on TBC, we actually want to spotlight some of the stories of heroes that are emerging.
There is a particular Vivek Narang, a resident of the area, who spotted the fire, and his quick thinking led to saving so many lives. There are also, of course, those who saved lives from the fire department, who without any fear jumped into it and also came out. These are the real heroes that we want to celebrate. Take a look.
On Saturday night, a deadly fire broke out in Delhi's Vivek Vihar. 7 newborn babies lost their lives. As investigations carry on to understand where the lapses happen, we bring you the story of the heroes. Those who risk their own lives to save new life. This is Vinay Narang, who heads the C Block RWA. His timely action saved 5 lives.
I went to the backside of the hospital. There I saw a small human chain was there, and somebody was on the first floor, and he was giving children to ladies, and I was the last one in the row. I got the children. In fact, we got 5. We rushed them to my car, and what I did, because I knew these children were in oxygen, and because daycare means intensive care of the children, these daycare centers are for premature babies or the babies who are with a difficulty when they are given birth. So I opened the AC of my car because they were coming from the very hot sort of atmosphere, and then I called ladies. One of my neighbor came, one from my backside of my house neighbor came, and they all with me in the car along with the 2 attendants. We rushed to the first hospital, Gupta, I think it was Gupta Multi-Speciality. He simply refused, I'm not going to help you. And it was a shock. Then I realized that on the right side there is one more hospital, Singh Nursing Home. But it was a daycare center. I rushed to the first floor, I shouted, it was closed, but I don't know from where the people came. 2 of the person came, sir, we are open. Tell me what we have to do. Let's open your nursery. They opened the nursery, all the 5 children along with those 2 attendants were put in there, and touch wood, children are safe.
These are the ordinary citizens who acted in the spur of the moment. At the scene were also the Delhi Fire Services. They described to us just how complex the rescue operation was.
इतनी हिट थी कि मैंने सोचा कि बच्चे कैसे रह पा रहे हैं, उनको निकालना जल्दी होगा। हमने बिना सोचे समझे अपनी जान पे खेल के उनको बच्चे को बाहर निकाला, और बच्चे को जैसे ही बाहर निकाला तो पानी हमने शुरू कर दिया था, क्योंकि हिट भी बहुत भयंकर था और आग भी थी। हमसे पहले धमाका हुआ, बिल्डिंग पूरी डैमेज हो चुकी थी।
As investigations into how the fire happened continue, Delhi salutes the heroes who put their own lives on the line. With Anvit Srivastav, Bureau Reports, CNN News 18.
All right, to Vinay Narang and so many out there who help in such distressful times, we salute you. Thank you for doing what you do. And it's a great, great tragedy that unfolded in the national capital. But, these are the times when we really need to question what's really happening and what kind of facilities are really being provided by the hospitals as well. But let's move on now.